हेलो एवरीवन, आई वेलकम यू ऑल ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल एम विद अस। आज के सेशन में हम लोग करने वाले हैं जीएसजीके के क्वेश्चंस जो सभी के सभी आए हुए हैं आरआरबी एनटीपीसी सीबीटी 1 एग्जामिनेशन में। अगर आप में से कोई चैनल पे पहली बार आया हुआ है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर ले और हमारे टेलीग्राम के ग्रुप से जुड़ें जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में गिवन है। और इस सेशन के हमारे क्वेश्चंस इंग्लिश में रहेंगे। अगर आपको क्वेश्चंस हिंदी में चाहिए तो हमारा सेशन अलग से चल रहा है, तो आप वो चैनल पर देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपने सेशन को और देखते हैं अपना पहला क्वेश्चन कौन सा है। Who among the following was the youngest president of India? The options are Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Sri Neelam Ranjit Reddy, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and Dr. Zakir Hussain. So the correct answer will be Sri Neelam Sanjeev Reddy. Option number B is the correct answer. Next question is, in the domain of computers and the internet, what is the full form of URL? तो हमें बताना है कि URL का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है, तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर कौन सा हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर सी, यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर। अगला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मोनूमेंट्स इज नॉट लोकेटेड इन दिल्ली? द ऑप्शंस आर अलाई दरवाज़ा, हुमायूं टॉम्ब, बुलंद दरवाज़ा एंड इंडिया गेट। सो द बुलंद दरवाज़ा इज द राइट आंसर। इट इज़ नॉट सिचुएटेड इन दिल्ली, इट इज सिचुएटेड इन यूपी, फतेहपुर सीकरी। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नेम द थीम डिक्लेयर्ड बाय यूनाइटेड नेशंस फॉर वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे 2020। So the correct answer will be biodiversity. Option number A. Which of the following units is used for measuring the amount of a substance? The options are lux, joule, mole and tesla. So the correct answer will be mole. Option number C. Next question is, in which year was the Environment Protection Act passed by the Parliament of India? The options are 1991, 1990, 1988, 1986. So the correct answer will be 1986. Option number D. The next question is, which of the following diseases is caused by a virus? So the right answer will be option number B, chickenpox. Where is the headquarters of the International Court of Justice located? Paris, Washington DC, The Hague and New York. So the correct answer will be option number C, The Hague. Through which of the following mediums can sound not travel? Milk, vacuum, steel, air. So the sound cannot travel through the vacuum. So the correct answer will be option number B. Next question is, which of the following passes connects Srinagar and Leh? Barala, Nathula, Jojila and Zilepla. So the pass which connects Srinagar and Leh is Jojila Pass. Option number C. What is Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana? So it was a scheme by the government in which a small deposit scheme for the girl child. Option number C is the correct answer. The next question is, which Sikh Guru established the Khalsa Panth? The options are Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, Shri Guru Nanak Ji, Shri Guru Har Gobind Ji and Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. So the correct answer will be, the Guru which started the Khalsa Panth is Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Option number D. The next question is, Patcharit style of painting is one of the oldest and the most popular art forms of which of the following states? So it is the art form of which state? Odisha. Option number C. The next question is, which part of the computer is called its brain? So the CPU is called the brain of the computer and option number C is the correct answer. Next question is, which Indian state has the longest mainland coastline? The options are Kerala, Odisha, Maharashtra and Gujarat. So the state which has the longest mainland coastline is Gujarat. Option number D is the correct answer. The next question is, in which state is the Kudankulam nuclear power station located? Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat or Rajasthan. So the correct answer will be Tamil Nadu. Option number B. The next question is, what is Ubuntu? Ubuntu is an operating system. Option number D is the correct answer. Which of the following shows a symbiotic relationship? The options are Funaria, Eulothrix, Lichen and Marsilia. So the right answer will be option number C, Lichen. Lichen shows a symbiotic relationship. Who said freedom is my birthright and I shall have it? So it was said by the Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option number B. The next question is, Mahatma Gandhi started the famous Salt March from Sabarmati to Dandi In which district of Gujarat is Dandi? So the options are Porbandar, Surat, Navsari and Kutch. The right answer will be Navsari, option number C. The next question is, who is the author of Raj Tarangini? The options are Chand Bardai, Kalhan, Kalidas and Jaydev. So the author of Raj Tarangini is Kalhan, option number B. The next question is, in which year was the second battle of Panipat fought between Akbar and the Hemu? So the right answer will be 1556, option number C. The next question is, in which of the following continents is the Gobi Desert located? The options are Africa, North America, Europe and Asia. So the Gobi Desert is located in Asia, option number D. The next question is, which of the following countries is not a permanent member of the UN Security Council? The right answer will be Japan. Japan is not a member of UNSC. The next question is, in which year did ISRO launch the Mars Orbiter mission? The options are 2013, 14, 15 and 12. So the ISRO launched the Mars Orbiter mission in the year 2013, option number A. The term sericulture is related to which of the following? Fish farming, silk farming, bird farming and bee farming. So sericulture is related to silk farming, option number B is the correct answer. The next question is, which of the following states is not a member of Seven Sister States of Northeast India? So Sikkim is not a part of the Seven Sisters, option number A is the correct answer. The next question is, which of the following countries is not a member of the BIMSTEC? Maldives, Nepal, Bhutan, India. So option number A, Maldives is not a member of the BIMSTEC. The next question is, where is the Sabrimala temple located? The options are Maharashtra, Kerala, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. So the Sabrimala temple is located in Kerala. Option number B is the correct answer. The next question is, where is the Central Potato Research Institute of India located? So the Central Potato Research Institute of India is located at Shimla. Option number B is the correct answer. The next question is, who was the founder of the Prarthana Samaj? The options are Swami Vivekanand, Atmarang Pandurang, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. So the correct answer will be option number B, Atmaram Pandurang. The next question is, which of the following is in the list of Maharatna Central Public Sector Enterprises? Central Coalfields Limited, Coal India Limited, India Tourism Development Corporation and the Cochin Shipyard. So the correct answer will be option number B, Coal India Limited. The next question is, which of the following is a multi-barrel rocket system developed by DRDO? Dhanush, Pinaka, Trishul and Prithvi. So the Pinaka was a multi-barrel rocket system developed by DRDO. Option number B is the correct answer. The next question is, in which city was the Khelo India Youth Games 2020 held? It was held in Guwahati. Option number A is the correct answer. Assam. The next question is, between which two cities does India's first semi-high speed train Vande Bharat Express run? The options are Hazrat Nizamuddin and Jhansi Junction, Puri and Howrah Junction, New Delhi and Varanasi Junction, Ahmedabad and Mumbai Central. So the first Vande Bharat Express run between the New Delhi and Varanasi Junction. Option number C is the correct answer. What is the maximum strength of the members of the Lok Sabha? So the maximum strength of Lok Sabha is 552. Option number C is the correct answer. The theory of relativity is associated with Newton, Albert Einstein, W.C. Longton and the Kelvin. So the theory of relativity is associated with Albert Einstein. Option number B is the correct answer. Who is called the father of taxonomy? So the Carl Linnaeus is known as the father of taxonomy. Option number A is the correct answer. Carl Linnaeus. Our next question is, glowing surface of the sun is known as? The options are chromosphere, lithosphere, photosphere and the atmosphere. So the glowing surface of the sun is known as photosphere. Option number C is the correct answer. By which of the following amendments of the Constitution fundamental duties of the citizens were added to the Constitution of India? So the fundamental duties of the citizens were added through the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. The option number A is the correct answer. The next question is, Which nation has hosted the Commonwealth Games 5 times? So Australia has hosted the Commonwealth Games 5 times. So the correct answer will be option number C, Australia. The next question is the Indradhanush framework an Indian government initiative is for. The options are resource mobilization, capacity building in private sector banks, revamping of public sector banks, and revamping of private sector banks. So the Indradhanush framework was for the revamping of the public sector banks. Option number C is the correct answer. The next question is the Global Climate Change Alliance is an initiative of which of the following? Greek Union, World Union, Continental Union, European Union. The option correct will be option number D, European Union. Our next question is the disease related with apple is known as green ear disease, red rust disease, fire blight, and the tikka disease. So the disease which is related to apple is known as fire blight. Option number C is the correct answer. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? The options are mass, velocity, momentum, and force. So the velocity, momentum, and force, these are the vector quantities, and the mass is the scalar quantity. So the right answer will be option number A. The Mopla rebellion took place between the years. So we have to tell when the Mopla rebellion took place. The correct answer will be option number D, 1921 to 1922. Option number D. The famous Gol Gumbaz is located in which of the following states? Karnataka, Gujarat, Rajasthan, or Punjab? The right answer will be Karnataka, option number A. The next question is which of the following awards is associated with only music? Oscar, Cannes, Tagore, and Grammy. So the award which is related to only music is Grammy Award, and the right answer will be option number D. Our next question is who received the Nobel Prize for Economic Sciences in 2020? The options are James P. Allison, George Smith, Robert B. Wilson, and the Dennis Mukherjee. The right answer will be Robert B. Wilson. Option number C is the correct answer. Our next question is तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स आज के सेशन में इतने ही क्वेश्चन थे. हम लोग मिलेंगे अगले सेशन में और भी क्वेश्चन के साथ. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. हैव अ गुड डे.